Hi friends, my name is Tamara and this is my channel. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening, good night from wherever you're watching and whatever time you're watching. So today I'll be making lobster roll served two ways, one with clarified butter and one the classic way with mayo. Please don't tune out, stay tuned. And if you hadn't subscribed, please subscribe. It'll help my channel to grow, boost my channel. Thank you for watching. So I just thought I'd show you the disaster after I clean the lobsters. Oh my bright, but me a clean lobster for sure. Look pan the mess. Pan the wall. All the way over yasso. Look in my sink. This is gonna be a stock. I'm gonna turn this into a stock to make some kind of lobster risotto or just lobster stock or something, but this is not gonna go to waste because there's lots of flavor here. We don't waste things. Even the shavings off my celery, it's gonna go in here for the stock. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Thank me for cooking, or did I really cook? Thank you for not tuning out. Be kind to everybody. Stay true to yourself. Peace out.